Today we are going to remove viral wart by using radiofrequency cautery. You can see the picture of viral wart. Here now I injected lignocaine 2% as anesthesia, so patient will not feel pain while doing procedures. Now after giving anesthesia with RF cautery probe, we are going to remove complete viral wart from its base. Sometimes minimal bleeding is there due to highly vascular area, but by using coagulation probe of RF cautery, we are going to stop the blood. Now you can see complete removal of viral wart. Thank you.